Welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video is a garden tour February 2024. Let's get to it. So first up over here we have turnips. What's germinating now? There's nothing in here yet, and then we have some wild garlic. Next to it, this is sweet corn, this is Bloody Mary, also growing here, and then there's some turnips in here as well. Then next to it is more Bloody Butcher corn over here, and I did harvest one massive corn over here. I'll show a picture now, and this is actually all the babies from that one. That's in here. And over here I've got some broccoli growing. I need to plant it over. Then over here is some peas growing. Just get in there. There's another one that's just come out. Come out. There's no growing, no squashes in here, but this is germinating now. You can see here. Then behind got my mint that is looking very ill because it's been hot now for the past few months now here. Then over here, this is jalapeno, a tomato, and then a few more jalapenos. Then here is also jalapenos. This one's looking a bit ill. And then two over here. Over here is the fennel that my budgies love, but they went all to seed, so I can grow now more. Just see here. Like I said, it's been really hot, so my celery is not looking well because in summer they don't do as well as they do in spring and autumn and winter. And then over here we got my Ashley cucumber tree bushes. I got two. And then there is just one cucumber on it at the moment. Next to that is different types of beetroot growing in here. Next to that, we got some carrots. Over here is called bite-sized tomatoes. So I just trimmed all the bottom leaves off and just left the top just to make it look. I don't know what I made it try to make it look like, but I did something. Then over here is one tomato what is ripening up. The new one's gonna come in soon, and these baby ones are growing. Next to that is a few types of chili trees. This one over here is a rose. Behind it is a Korean cayenne, and this is called. This one is Star 666. See. Next to that, that is the Raja. And these two is serrano peppers. And then I got my strawberries here. What went to, there is quite a few runners here. I did plant two of it already in here, and then these runners gave more runners that is in here, and this runners is giving more runners. So hopefully if I look properly after it, I will have many strawberries next season. And this is orange habanero growing in here. And out of all the chili trees, I did harvest like mini chilies of all of it. That's why it's looking the way it does now. So this one is just growing and more is coming out. And then I got some, that is more wild garlic. And then over here is purple basil. one hide in there. Then next to that the zucchini baby marrows coming in. You can see. Just look those up quick. And then there's new roots coming out. And this is radish, this is white icicle. And I got the red cherry ones there. But I'm just leaving them to go to seed because I don't have any more seeds of the radish. And there's more pop over here. And here. Another zucchini tree bush, and another zucchini bush over here. And here's cauliflower. This one is dying. Another one there. And this too is mustard. Swiss chard mustard. And this is spring onion. And then just the yakma tree and speckboom, and then the cabbage tree, which have nothing to do with cabbages. Over here I got some thyme, but I'm not really good in growing thyme because as you can see a few died, and this ones is hopefully they make it. If you have any information how I can keep them alive, please comment down below. And then over here, this is so cold over winter because it was infected with ants and aphids, so I cut it down like this. And then 3 months later, this is what it gave me. This is the bishop's crown chili tree. And over here we got some onions. So that's the garden tour, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed what you saw, leave a like. Backyard out.